From basic maintenance and cleaning to major mechanical work and full bike rebuilds, the Kendon folding lift offers the best-in-class performance with a space-saving design not available on any other full-size lift. Our unique patented folding design takes up minimal space in your work area compared to other full-size table lifts. The integrated casters and light weight allow you to move the lift so it can be used anywhere. It's simple to unfold and capable of lifting up to 1,000 pounds. With a 26-inch wide footprint, the lift offers stability that is comparable to full-size shop lifts. You don't have to invest in a large air compressor to use the lift. A minimum 150 psi compressor with a 6-gallon tank can actuate the lift. You can also use the lift manually with the supplied hand lever. The lift safety bar automatically engages as the lift actuates to lock it in place at the various working heights. The adjustable wheel chock can hold almost any size front wheel, large or small. The removable front and rear sections allow you to drop both the front and rear wheels with ease. With 5 different working heights, you can perform any work on the bike while comfortably sitting or standing. Integrated tie-down points allow you to safely secure your bike on the lift. You have full control over lowering your bike. The release valve knob allows you to control the descent speed so you can lower the bike as quickly or as slowly as you want. When done working, you can simply fold the lift and stand it up out of the way. The integrated casters allow you to maneuver the lift to its final resting spot so it's neatly tucked away when not in use, saving you valuable space.